be discussing Metasploit, a powerful tool for developing and executing exploit code. Metasploit is an open source project created by Rapid7 and is one of the most popular tools for penetration testing and security research. It is widely used by security professionals, ethical hackers, and malicious attackers. Metasploit can be used to launch denial of service attacks, gain remote access to systems, and generate backdoors. It can also be used to exploit known vulnerabilities in a system and applications. Metasploit is an invaluable tool for performing security audits as it allows administrators to quickly identify and fix security holes in their system. As Metasploit is an open source project, it is continually updated with new models and features. It is also supported by a large online community of users who can provide assistance and advice. In conclusion, Metasploit is a powerful tool for developing and executing exploit code. It is widely used by security professionals and can be used to identify and fix security holes in a system. If you want to learn more about Metasploit, I recommend checking out the Metasploit website or joining the Metasploit community. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it informative.